Good evening. A man accused of killing his wife earlier this year is now back on the streets, all because of a technicality in court.
So how was this able to happen if he's still facing murder charges? News 13's Jamie Seymour looked into it and joins us now with the details.
Jerome Gutierrez was released late last week. Now the defense, prosecutors, and courts are all pointing the finger at each other for making the mistake.
It's almost a case of he said, she said. A New Mexico man accused of murdering his wife in May is back on the streets following a scheduling technicality.
In this case, that hearing was set in June, and the state was ready to proceed at that hearing, but defense counsel was not ready to proceed and asked for a continuance.
54-year-old Jerome Gutierrez is accused of beating his wife, Christy Rivera, so badly she was left brain dead. In June, his defense attorneys requested the detention hearing be delayed until they got more details about the victim from the medical examiner. But a hearing was never scheduled within 60 days, denying him his right to a speedy hearing.
The state filed a motion for a setting last week and received a setting, and the judge released the defendant because the hearing hadn't taken place within 60 days.
As for why that hearing didn't take place within 60 days, that's where the confusion comes in. On June 9th, Judge Cindy Leos ordered that the detention hearing be continued, stating the parties are to provide the court with a date for the hearing to be set. However, days later on June 14th, a different judge, Britt Baca-Miller, ordered the court will reset the detention hearing to a future date. So, thinking the other was going to set a court date, neither the DA's office, the suspect's attorney, or a judge did, missing the deadline. Judge Leos ordered his release on Friday.
And that could potentially endanger the public. So this defendant is charged with second-degree murder. The state filed the motion because we determined that he was dangerous to the community.
In the release order, the court says it was by no fault of Gutierrez that this happened, and the release is an attempt to remedy the situation. Currently released on a GPS ankle monitor, he could end up back behind bars during a future hearing. But the district attorney's office says that's too long of a wait.
That's the way the public is protected, is with the hearing. And so it is a problem when someone's released without a hearing.
Gutierrez's next hearing is set for October 14th. However, the DA's office says they do plan to file an emergency order with the state Supreme Court to get him back behind bars before then. Back to you, Jess.
All right, thank you, Jamie. In the meantime, he's been ordered to have no contact with his young daughter or other family members while released.